My expertise is plants.
What are these plants?
This one right here is called a Napalopus.
See how like hungry this thing is? Oh my god!
If only we were in Florida.
Oh no! Did he convince you again?
I gotta get Brenton something while I'm here.
Yeah, you got a point. You got a
Pond,
point.
the new pond. I'm only doing it so Brenton gets bit one day. I love beta fish.
Did you know if you actually remove one of these and they
Move this. I think he knows we're after him. My goodness. And there he goes. What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video. I have flown over to Texas where my friend Brenton lives.
As we say, howdy.
Howdy, partner.
Howdy, good to see you.
It's great to see you, man.
Good to see you, y'all. See what
As you can see by the title and thumbnail, I am going to get Brenton a fish for his new pond. He just built a 1,000-gallon aquarium, similar to some of the builds we're doing over at my house. This one's definitely dope. If you can look behind us here.
It's a baby mama, or also known as a baby gill.
This thing is sick, dude. 1,000 gallons, 2 viewing panels. You got the rock wall just like we got on ours. Creator of it all is inside there. What's going on, Seth? Seth built this entire thing. Brenton didn't do shit.
No.
Seth is Hector, okay? That is Hector.
Seth also has a big butt, so
That's...
I'm ready. I got a store in mind too, where we can go pick out
I want to
some
go
stuff.
get Brenton a fish for this beautiful pond. Obviously, last time we were here, I got an arowana, which unfortunately, through the craziness of the pond blowing up, literally, it did not make it. So unfortunately,
is we both got each other fish, and both of us had like terrible accidents happen.
yes, my pond is just now recouping, and finally we got the 5,500 gallon going.
But we have this. Everything that's in here is gonna go in the 1,000 gallon. So
yeah, we got everything. I mean, there's peacocks, there's Oscars, there's gar, there's a knife fish, there's
red-tailed catfish,
marble the car. There's a lot of fish inside
shovel nose.
the temporary pond here. So whatever we get at the store today will be going into here, and then soon to go into the 1,000 gallon. Without further ado,
let's give her a send.
we're going to the store.
Oh.
We are here at a store called Fish Paradise in Texas. Obviously, I'm in Texas, where everything is larger. They have, to say the least, a lot. Like, wow. Now, of course, you already know that I'm gonna be filming, touring. Baby gill.
Baby gill.
Look at all these Jardinis.
Wow. A little one too.
There's a full row of Jardinis. Look at them all. If only we were in Florida. Unfortunately, stores can't sell Giardini in Florida, so that's why we don't have this. Now, of course, like I said, we're gonna be doing a tour, so we have a lot to look through. But behind me, the majority of these fish tanks right here are big, big African cichlids of all different sorts. Oh my gosh, it looks like an albino jaguar cichlid. Big old puffer. We got a bunch of baby red tails right here. Red tail catfish, 45 buckaroos.
See how like hungry this thing is? Oh my god! I want a
Little Raphael. Look how tiny.
Oh my goodness.
Those are little Raphael catfish. Beautiful planted aquarium here. My expertise is plants.
What are these plants?
This one right here is called a Napalopus. I don't know shit about plants. This right here is called a bamboo. Right there. What is that plant called?
this one?
Yeah.
Apolopis. See?
That's not a plant.
Bro, it's an Apolopis.
Bro,
I got you.
dude.
Actually,
Oh my goodness.
this is a sea needle, which is also known as a harpoon.
If you ever want to get a harpoon, they sell them here. There we go. We got a bunch of platies. Beautiful platies right there. A whole tank full of them. Plecko. We got a lot of you back at home. Paku.
Oh,
Little
that is a
Paku. He's
pucker.
like hiding in there with everyone.
He looks like a piranha.
That cichlid that we saw a second ago just read up on it.
Yeah.
Very rarely encountered in the wild. Like,
Really?
ever. They are extremely aggressive, but they said they think it can hold its own in our tank. And it could go in there. And it's like mean, bro. The thing is...
Definitely not gonna buy that.
Oh.
Can we get this guy?
That guy? Yeah. I'll be right over here.
Thanks.
Oh no! Did he convince you again?
I gotta get Brenton something while I'm here.
Yeah, you got a point. You got a point.
The new pond. Surprised my guy with something new.
Something new.
And extremely vicious too. Look at it. He just wants to eat your fingers off.
Jeez, bro.
I'm only doing it so Brenton gets bit one day. I want him to get bit. That's the main reason I'm purchasing this. These are clown loaches. They're really, really beautiful fish.
What do they do? Do they eat pellets or something?
Yeah, they eat little wafers, little sinking pellets. Now, I think we're on the smaller side. Jake, on the other side is bigger.
I think so, yeah.
So this side. Oh, we're stuck. But this side's where all the smaller fish are. So I mean, we could walk by all these aquariums. We got some reef stuff on this side, a lot of corals, lots of corals, and then on this side, a lot of freshwater, the smaller stuff. But of course, we're here to see the big mamas. Big mamas. Oh yeah. The big. What's his name?
Thug.
Thug.
His name is Thug.
We secured Thug. My goodness, the selection of coral here, not to get off topic, but like, there's a lot of salt water. This entire aisle is full of corals. So if you're into coral, lots of stuff. I feel like I'm at Top Shelf right now. Check out that beautiful pair right there. There is a lot more salt water on this side as well. Bunch of fishes. Red General Star. $95 for that thing, $100 bill. All right, we're making our way over. Making a left. Oh, look at the koi fish. We got some food right here. ASMR action. They love it. Little koi pond there. Got some goldfish across. To the left, some more goldfish. For my betta people out there, everyone that loves betta, beta, whatever way you want to say it, they've got a selection of those as well. I think it's all the way around too. Yeah, it is. Look at that. That right there. I love beta fish.
Did you know if you actually removed one of these, moved it, and they would not...
this. Boom.
Oh, no, chill.
They see each other and flare their gills. All right, we're gonna keep that there. Sorry, guys. Neighbors that do not like each other, let me tell you. Albino Pacu. At some point, the one I have inside the 5,500 gallon was that big. And I actually remember when he was tiny. He was really, really small. We got him small, grew him up. He was in multiple different ponds, tanks, and now he's a giant inside the 5,500 gallon. Some flower horns. They're not as beautiful as Megamind, I'll tell you that, but they are nice looking. We are here at the pond, big old pond. Is that the...
That is a golden arowana.
Wow. Check out that mongo. Look how big it is. Dude, it's bigger than my dang two of my hands put together. That is a huss. Like an actual monster. Got a little red tail down there. We got a night fish right there. Some, looks like Jack Dempsey's, if I'm not mistaken, down there at the bottom. What if we go halves? And then we get to split the name. Polyphon. Its name is Polyphon.
I'm gonna get them.
Are you?
Yeah, I'm gonna get them. She's about 1,000.
Okay, so we'll go halves on it and actually name it Polyphon.
You'll go halves.
Oh, I'll go halves. I'll give you $500.
If we name it Polyphon?
It has to be named Polyphon. Left-handed handshake.
That felt really weird, but I'm so down.
You're officially a part of the family.
My day just got a lot cheaper. I mean, it still got expensive, but a lot cheaper thanks to you and Polyphon. Wow. Can we get a Polyphon in the chat, please? I think he knows we're after him, but he's not quick enough. Look at that guy. There he is. Wow. And that's a deep enough net where he ain't coming out. My goodness. And there he goes. Polyphon is in custody. Almost pierced through. Wait, we got two fish. This one right here, his name is... That's Thug. Thug. Bro, Thug. This is Thug.
Thug.
Dude.
Alright, Thug is legit a Thug.
I mean, I didn't even bring a camera today. I didn't know we were doing any of this. This is awesome.
Thug. We just ran up a check. Yeah. That's an interesting...
It is... You know what that feels like? You want me to tell you?
Brenton, I don't even want to hear it. Okay.
Alright, I won't tell you then.
Oh my goodness.
Thank you, Paul.
Oh my goodness. What is going on?
No problem, Brenton. I'm excited.
That was awesome.
Dude,
that was excited. A really cool shop, I'm not gonna lie. Only the Cuffaros know the real reason why I bought Thug.
Why'd you do that? Alright, Thug.
Oh yeah, dude, that Thug has got, look, he has black lipstick on. That has got to be the coolest fish you have.
Dude, he is so dope.
That is the colors, dude.
He's nice, isn't he?
I want that for my pond.
Well, that's too bad.
What if we kept it here for a little and then shipped it?
That's so silly.
See if we can get this rubber band off. They didn't want him going anywhere, I tell you that.
I wouldn't want you going anywhere either.
Well, moved to Florida.
There he is. All right, yeah, we're gonna slowly acclimate him.
We're gonna ship this one back to my house too, right?
No, we're not. We never agreed to do any of that.
All right. I'm very excited to get this fish into Brenton's new pond. Well, this is like kind of going into the temporary pond to soon then go into his actual pond over there. So it's like a 2-part series. How big is this? 500?
Yeah,
About half of it? Yeah. 500 gallons right here. This big old arowana is about to go in once it's done acclimating. See you in like 10, 15 minutes. Come here, Thug. Oh, dude, he's legit does not play around. Wow.
Oh my gosh. Bro.
Check that out. Look at the mouth.
Snook mouth.
They got the teeth in there. It literally is a jaguar cichlid. It's identical. See you later, Thug. You're an absolute stud. You know that?
Woo! Absolutely wrecks another fish.
You might be tired from the trip. Ready? Brenton, look at the size of this thing.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa!
Oh, oh my gosh.
That is a real one right there.
Yo, dude.
That is a real one. Make sure that mesh
is on.
is
dude.
on.
That's because he is gonna try and do an Olympics move on all of us this moment.
We know how arowanas can get, so prior to putting this arowana in, we have prepared this mesh lid.
Oh yeah.
By strapping it down with extra screws and extra support. So literally all around this pond has good.
The same thing will actually be on this. It's gonna be like flush under the trim. So like there'll be a clear net flush on the entire thing. So that baby mama cannot leave.
That pond is going to be cool. But for now, we did get Brenton
He's water surfing.
the most beautiful fish we could possibly ever get him, as well as Thug. Check out that slimy handshake right here.
Just wanna lick that up.
Oh.
Just wanna lick that up.
Oh.
Let me lick it up.
Oh my goodness.
All right. All right, yeah, nice fish. Yeah.
My goodness, look at Thug and him in the same image. Oh, that is beautiful. That's a sight to see right there. We got Brenton a new fish. Make sure you subscribe down below. Smash the like button for more. And we're probably gonna film some more while we're here in Texas.
It's nice, yeah, you're in Texas for a change.
You don't want to miss it all.
Oh.
My goodness.
His wings.
You stoked with it?
Yeah, I'm stoked with it.
Rate that fish 1 out of 10, Brenton.
I'm gonna do a 4.
That's perfect way to end it. See you in the next one. Peace.
Off camera, can we catch, clean, and cook them?
Oh,
you're filming.
Wow. Oh. Oh.